IT admins now have the ability to configure Vivi rooms in bulk versus one by one. Configurations can include updating room descriptions, enabling room codes, or even USB pass-through on multiple devices at once, saving time. In Vivi Central, select Rooms under the Organization dropdown. Select all applicable rooms you wish to update by checking the box to the left of the room name, or select all rooms by checking the box next to name in the header. In the top right corner, select Configure All. In the Configure Selected Room settings screen, toggle on or off the fields you wish to change. In this example, we will turn on room codes in access mode, enable multiple displays, and enable USB pass-through for the selected rooms. Once all settings have been chosen, select Submit at the bottom of the page. Select OK from the confirmation window that appears. The changes will be saved and the configuration is complete.